Our ulama karam of the past, they had ruled for the drug lords that they have a severe punishment. And what they do is they go by this ayah in the Quran, إنما جزاء الذين يحاربون الله ورسوله ويسعون في الأرض فسادا أن يقتلوا ويصلبوا, and so on. And this ayah is mentioned in Surah Al-Ma'idah in chapter 5 of the Quran. And they said what happened is the drug lords, what they do is they cause great corruption and turmoil in the society, that because of their causing so much corruption, they're given the death penalty. This is the view of our ulama. You can see people that are addicted to the drugs, you see what happens to their life is completely destroyed. And the person that distribute that in the society, in the community, they destroy so many lives of so many people. And that's why the ulama, they had ruled that the punishment is so severe that they are given the death penalty in that case. And keep in mind, the other thing to bear in mind is that if a person, they just consume the intoxicant, then and there's different opinions of the ulama on what the punishment is. Some of them, they say there's 80 lashes, some of them they say 40, and some of them they say it's a ta'zir with the judge. The judge decides how much that the person they get, and that's less severe. But in the case where a person, they have a whole effect on the society on these drugs, it's a very harmful effect. And if you ever see somebody that's addicted to these drugs here, you can see what happens to their life, and you see the effect that it has on the whole society, the whole nation, things like that. That's why they had ruled that. They had ruled that therefore that punishment. This is what our ulama, they say, the scholars, they say. And bear in mind that when you have these rules that you have, that in Islamic law, if somebody they deserve the punishment, then Allah is going to punish them anyway, regardless of what happens. So these rules that we have is, well, the reason for it is to deter the society from doing these things. As a deterrent to discourage people from doing it. That's the reason that you have it. And then bear in mind, and in the afterlife, in the akhirah, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala will repay everybody what they did. And these people that distribute these drugs, they cause so much harm. It causes so many people to do the wrong things, and they have a severe punishment in the akhirah. That's why the ulama, they were so severe on the punishment in this particular case. And Allah knows best, and may peace and blessings be upon Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.